Hello, and welcome back to a new episode of Fuck Around and Find Out. So, you saw the short, I have this video. Here's my doggo named Jenna. I got this mower, you saw my short, I have this mower. And I'm going to throw one of those on it. It's a turbo. So, definitely have some work cut out for me. Never done anything like this. But I do know the first thing I'm going to do is get these guards off. Get a look at the exhaust. Because, it's got to be plumbed somehow. And then go from there. So let's get to it. Alright, and these bolts are some standard size. But 13 fits on there. And I am too lazy to go back inside and get anything. That's one. There's another. And now that shit is off. Let's see here. Now we're going to go up to this. These off. I should just go get the impact gun. I don't feel going inside. Okay. That bolt is stuck in there, that's fine. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That just slides right off there. That's two fucking open ports. Beautiful. So, let's see. Let's get this off now. Same size. I knew that one was going to spin on top. Let's see here. Look at that. There you go. Alright, I am going to go inside 1 second. It's on the deck.
Oh, deck. I use a deck.
Oh, hope I had a battery in it. Jesus Christmas.
Yeah, I don't know how to clean it because you saw it, right?
Alright, now back with the battery. Aha, right now. Perfect. Go. Some dumb brace. And those ones, can this come off? Oh, this is loose now. Perfect. This is not welded to it. Just fine. Works out for me. Alright, this is fucking destroyed anyways, huh? Cool. Alright. I have no fucking idea what that does down there. That's for the deck, which I am keeping the deck on. I need this to mow my lawn still. It's my only lawnmower now. So yeah, I am cutting up my only lawnmower. So, where... The only thing I'm worried about is getting oil to the turbo and then back to the motor. But I'm sure I can figure that out. So, this is going to come off, this piece here. Because that's just some dumb inlet pipe. Let's see here. Garbage. Alright. So. Kind of get the picture there. I'll probably lop these more off there, up at the top, and then come down to meet this flange here. And then I'm not going to have any kind of muffler. I'm just going to have it shoot out the freaking bottom here. Bap, 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 bap. And then intake is here, which is fine. This will be plumbed up to go into the box up here, which will also work. And then we'll go from there. Obviously the turbo is way overkill and it's probably not going to do absolutely anything, but it's still going to be fun as hell. So, and then what I'll do to hold the turbo, because that ain't going to fucking hold nothing, I'll have a bracket come down to where the exhaust downpipe was on it before, and just hold it there, and then throw some vacuum to it. So, shouldn't be too bad. Looks like it'll go in there. Just a little bit of creativity, make anything work. Alright, that'll be it for this episode. Stay tuned, because we'll be I'll be ripping this thing apart more, getting it all taken care of, and see what I can do with it. If you like what you're watching, please subscribe to the channel and like the video.